Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be talking about Sony Vegas Pro in general. So I'm talking about 13, 14, 15, all the numbers that they have and why I think this is the best editing program if you're just starting out on YouTube. So let me get into it. So when I first started YouTube, I tried out many different editing programs and I spent so many hours looking into which one is best for my style of videos. You could definitely check out my channel and then determine if this would be a best fit. But the thing is that Sony Vegas is a great program because you're able to kind of use it for so many different types of content. You could use it for gaming, you could use it for talking head videos, you can use it in a professional way, and so that is why I think it is a really great program. The learning curve of it I found when I was using Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere, I felt like the learning curve was very high, and then as the more you use it, then it becomes smaller. But I want to say when you start using Sony Vegas, the learning curve is really low. So it's easy to get into the program, but at the same time there's random high curves that you'll start to notice the more you use the program, because the more you start to edit, the more you start to learn new things, and then the more you start researching about how to do more advanced and complicated edits in your videos. And so that is one of the things that I love about it, is that you're constantly able to keep growing, and then as the more as time progresses, then there's even more updates, and then also they come out with new additions, new things that you can be doing in the program. So currently, I believe the current one as of this video airs is Sony Vegas 18. If you don't have Sony Vegas Pro 18, I'll put a link up here. I also have another video for 17, so definitely check that out. And I have so many different style of videos that I've done. So I've done gaming videos, I've done vlogs, I've done talking head videos, how-to videos, I've done mukbang videos, so many different types of videos. So that's why this program is a great program, and then it allows you to be able to try so many different types of content, and so that is ultimately why it's a great program. The reason why I went with Sony Vegas over Adobe Premiere is I felt with Adobe Premiere, my computer at the time wasn't able to handle Adobe Premiere. It was able to run it, but when it came to editing with Adobe Premiere, I had such a hard time. And then by the time I've gotten a computer that is able to handle Adobe Premiere, I've already became so accustomed to Sony Vegas, and by the time I started using Adobe Premiere again, I just felt so out of tune, out of touch with Adobe Premiere, and so then I just ended up deleting Adobe Premiere and just keeping Sony Vegas. And the more I started using Sony Vegas, I felt there was a lot of things that I couldn't do, but then after playing with the program more, I realized, wow, I can do a lot more professional things, and I didn't realize. So I didn't realize, oh, you could stabilize your footage in post, oh, you can do some color grading. There's a lot of things that I didn't realize you can do, but the program's pretty good. So I think it is a great tool for someone that is just starting out in YouTube, and so that is why I'm recommending it. And then also, so that is why I think it's a great tool for someone just starting out in YouTube, is because the learning curve of the program is so low, and then as you develop your skills in editing with Sony Vegas, you can then start to be able to tackle on more difficult type edits. And so that is what I think is great, is because the learning curve kind of goes this, kind of in a linear scale, versus if you were to use Adobe Premiere, the editing I want to say learning curve starts up high, and then over time it gets smaller. I'm all about providing my honest feedback and personal honest feedback on programs and products that I use. So definitely comment, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.